Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I know I just did a video from this company, but I got a second thing in the mail. I purchased this. Their shipping is super fast. And so I just wanted to show you. I got this big purple package and I was like, oh my goodness, I just ordered some drills. Why the big package? Normally my packages are like, you know, a fourth of this size. And so I opened it up and let me show you first what I purchased. I needed some more sparklers. Sparklers are from DP with sparklers and they're glass. And I love these. They give a little extra sparkle. And so I got Raven. I got 2 of those because they are, I never use black ABs because the AB coating on the top comes out blue or green. Forgive me, that's my son in the background. He is 2.5 months old. So don't worry, he's with his dad. And so this is a way to get some glitz and glam with black and not have to worry about the color changing. So these are for rounds. And then these are, let me see, Raven. And then I got black diamond. And then I got black diamond, and it says S for S, which is sparklers for squares. And even though they're round, see they're round, they are a bit smaller, so they fit with squares. And I'm going to show you a picture right here of a time that I've used. They're actually, let me see here, the pineapple ones. Okay, and these glow in the dark, glow glass. These are sparklers for squares. And the photo I put up shows you the square normal, square ABs, and sparkler for squares all together in one picture so that you can see that even though it's round, you can't really tell. And for me, it was so hard to do. Even though I trusted Tina, I've bought them. I have a whole bunch of them over here. Sparklers for squares right here. I just haven't used them yet because I couldn't get over the concept of putting something round with square. But I'm getting out of my comfort zone. And Blinging in the New Year, which is happening this January, our 3rd annual Blinging in the New Year, will also help show you how to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, so let's move on. I also got some more of these because I've been using a lot of them up. I'm just trying to see where... This thing was almost full, and so I needed to replace them because I love these for lighted areas. And then I had a bunch of original sparklers, but I did not have the S for S, sparklers for squares. So I bought some more of those to make sure I had them. And then I also bought the Raven S for S. Now I did open them today because I was using them, and then I love the copper. The copper is one of my favorites, and I have a whole bunch of regular copper for the circles, but I didn't have any S for S, so I had to get those because in the picture that I'm doing now, Reading Tree by Diamond Art Club, the Spangler, Randall Spangler, I had to get them. Okay. So then, let me see here. There's some other goodies. Tonight at midnight, these are being released. Tina, DP with Sparklers, went out and guess what? Upped the ante, and we have glitter. So I bought 5. She's selling them for a set of 14, I believe, for $49.95. And then there's a sale. Let me look here real quick. She wrote it down because I want you guys to be able, there is a Black Friday sale for 15% off, but then here's, yes, Black 15. So you can get 15% off, and it's 14 colors in round or 14 colors in square, and she's going to list them tonight. And so I wanted to show you, I bought 5, not the set, but I bought 5 of each square and round, and you see here. Okay. So it looks like here. Oh, she must have thrown in one for me. Okay, so this is, she's got 321. So pretty. Okay, so you can see the glitter right there. 702. Can't wait to use these. 161. Should show you guys on the, excuse me, on the back side. This is kind of a grape color, 3835. You see the glitter in there. 608. See the glitter in there. And this is 334. You can see the glitter in there. Want to show you the difference. Let me pull out an AB and hold it up for you guys so you can see the difference. Okay. So here's a blue AB. You can see the coating, and then here's the glitter. It's not the same color, so it's not tit for tat, but you can see at least the coating here on the AB, and this has the glitter. And the glitter is not just on top, it's actually throughout. So it's not wiping off. It's not going to fall off on you. And then I bought 5 of the rounds. These I'm looking really forward to. Oh, this color, 915, 158, 327, 666, and 561. How fun are those? So those I bought, and those came all in the package. So that was great. And then another thing, which you might not realize, is she actually has diamond paintings. How fun are these? So this one is a round butterfly. It's so fun. It looks like might be special drills. I haven't opened it up. It's a 22 by 22 centimeter. So I'm going to open this up. It looks so fun. Yeah, so it includes full rhinestones, high definition canvas, stone diamond tray, drill pen, and painting mud. Not necessarily wax, mud. No, it is wax. Yes. Then there's more. There's more. Are you guys ready? I'm pouring it out of this big package. Okay, so I have not bought her metallics yet. And how fun are these metallics? So there's garden green and party pink. These are so fun. These usually come in her monthly sets. She'll throw some of these in, and these look so fun. So I can't wait to use them. I haven't tried them yet. And I have a whole bunch of slivers, but I had to order gunmetal, some more gunmetal. So I got that, but then she was like, Jennifer, I have some new colors that are being released tonight at midnight. So I wanted to show you slivers. Aren't these so fun? I'm going to put a picture right here that shows you how I've used them. But here's an aqua moonstone. Now they have a moonstone and sparklers as well. So fun. Midnight. So this is a black. And then silver metallic. So it's not just silver, but it has this extra glitz and glamour to it. Super excited. So go check it out. Use Black 15 for Black Friday. It's just a 24-hour sale. Starts at midnight tonight, goes through midnight for Friday. Try that out. If not, go check out DP with Sparklers. Also, if they have a hosting event or something like that, there's usually a $10 coupon floating around. Otherwise, hit me up and I'll see if I can find one out there for you too. So check out DP with Sparklers. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed the pictures. I didn't show you this. This is something I bought earlier. So I was just updating my ABs. So this was a smaller purchase a while ago, but they have so many fun colors in ABs, squares and rounds. They have quad cubes, which take up 4 spots. bunch of fun stuff. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I hope that you guys have a blast getting ready for blinging in the new year, because DP with Sparklers is helping us big time figure out where we should be, how we should set things up, and making even more fun out of diamond painting. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love y'all, bye bye.